Hi, I'm Sammy Kennedy Sim and I'm so excited to be coming to Beijing 2022 for my third Winter Olympics. We've been so warmly welcomed here for the Olympic test event in November and I can't wait to prepare for the rest of the season. We've got racing all the way through December and all the way through January. The facilities here at Secret Garden, our Olympic venue, are amazing. Everything is so professional and the ski cross course looks so cool. I can't wait to get back on it in February. The Chinese have been so welcoming for us and we're really grateful for the opportunity to represent our country and experience some of your culture. To the Chinese government, thank you so much for welcoming us with open arms to your beautiful venues. We can't wait to experience your great culture and experiencing a fantastic games here in February 2022.
The Yanqing track is unreal. Thank you so much for putting it together. To have the course that's so unique and so much fun is unlike anywhere else in the world. To have all the facilities there is done an incredible job and we are very thankful for it. Everyone who we met for the test event back in October was super lovely and helpful. I cannot wait to come back in February for the Olympic Winter Games in 2022.
Hey everyone, Chikara Anthony here, freestyle mogul skier. Gearing up, getting ready for my second games in Beijing in February and I can't wait to get there. They build a really great course and can't wait to see what they bring for us in February.
Hi everyone, Bree Walker here, pilot of the Australian bobsleigh team. And chasing winter for me really is just a way of life. It's been a long time since I've spent a summer in Australia, but everything that has gone into living my dream has been totally worth it when I can do what I love every single day of the year and travel to beautiful places in the world like this.
Hi everyone, Britt Cox here. I'm so excited to compete in what I hope is my fourth Olympic Games in Beijing, China. The place holds a special place in my heart. It's where I won my crystal globe, so I'm so excited to head back there. I love the culture, the people. It's so incredible to be somewhere that's so different to home, but I'm sure China will do a fantastic job and put on an epic Games.